Very nice.
Huh?
That wasn't shared.
Yeah, where do you want to go?
Where is it at? Where is it?
Yo, look how cool I am, Mr. Nutter.
Oh my God, Morgan.
Yeah, he's up there. Tim, I'll give you a call, man.
Bye.
Hey, Aaron, how are you?
Okay.
One more day, huh?
I know, I can't wait.
Oh, I can get that feeling now. That feeling. Hey!
Okay, it's your mom's birthday. Shut up. You're gonna miss me last
Jay, you better bring it, dog. Jay!
What's up, Mr. Nutting?
How much?
Michelle, where you going? Don't leave. Are you leaving? Yeah. Bye. No,
These are like the men of the
You like these men?
We own this one. Me and Frankie own this one. We can kill people like him.
We have the Irish.
Irish power.
I'm gonna kill like.
I love the school. Oh, that's my dime. Why are you throwing it?
Does he have detention? Gary has detention.
Frankie, Dad, let me get on Tony. And Sally. What?
How many people are you giving rides home to?
Sure, why not?
Nobody takes the ball away from the back. Look at that did. Look what that did.
Oh.
Yeah. She got the goal, right? And this is the kid.
Hit it. First time. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Nice.
Good job. Good shot.
Hit it, Wendy. Hit it. Good job.
Nice. Hit it, Laura.
Laura. You gotta hit that first time.
I didn't know where it went.
Oh, but just hit the mindset. Even if you hit it when you need it.
Oh, wow.
Go.
That's for sure. Jeez. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Help her. Help her.
I'm a sinner. Whoops. Okay.
Wow, what a save. Get a Jim.
Nice game, boys. Good game. Good game. Yeah, thanks.
Great game, great game.
Woo! Everybody get in here. Listen, we need all the flags and we need all the balls put into a bag.
Oh, you guys are so dirty. Don't none of you hug me.
I'm going right for you.
I would swing with the umbrella.
Why would they want
I think we have practice. No, ladies. Coach Durgan. I'll see you Monday, all right? Hug your buddy. Patty Walsh is coming in mine. I'm swinging, I swear I'm swinging.
Very good, yourself.
Oh, like the camera's on. No, Cheryl. It's like... I know the ones out. Ow. Run around too.
Just going to right from the jars.
What? I was on your brother's team and he got rocked.
Nice kick.
That's your Rob!
Ever seen his car? He's got a rig in his car. The Honda. Yo, he used to have like 3 tinted windows and the rest of them were like white. But if somebody wants to fight you, right? Hey man, now's the time, guys.
Come on!
Please, balls to the wall, kick everybody. Fucking
Let's go! Yeah! Come on!
Fenwick dies!
You're starting tonight. The last varsity game before the tournament. Yeah! Guys, your folks are here, your spectators are here, your schoolmates are here. You got something to show them? Yeah! Show it to them tonight, man. This is it for you guys. You ready for this, Jake?
I'm ready.
Yeah, I know you are.
We're number one. Number one, us! Jockey! Come on, boys! All the way! Us!
Let's go.
We all done now?
Come on! Let's go!
Let's go! Time, Mike!
Boy, Vega, get out!
Get on!
Josh, out here! On! Cross it on those guys! Give him help! Get in there! Hands in. Up! Go ahead! Nice.
Oh!
Get out! Go! You got time! Good.
Come on, get him. Oh, someone stops it right at the 6. Just get. All right. Boy, Thanos. Hold up!
Just keep your hands off me, bud. I don't have to use my base.
Okay, get it.
Yeah!
Right.
I don't want it. No, I don't
Oh, you're still here?
Yeah.
Come on, go!
There it is!
Go, White! Come on! Go, guys!
No intensity is in it.
Yeah. It's just, I don't know, what are the 2 sets of lights and then...
Did that to my brother. When he first came back from
You heard me. Says I'm talking out of you. You're in some big trouble. Hi. Challenge.
Bring on the state banner. Hey guys, I hit Party in my house.
Oh!
Hell yes, boys.
Guys, I'll tell you what. That's a good team we just beat. We did not play our best ball, okay? Take nothing away from them, okay? Sunday, bring your best game. I don't know what time. I don't know what time, okay? Everybody, call me tonight or call me tomorrow. I know what's going on. I know we're playing Newburyport. I know their eyes.
Nice try. At the end of double overtime, there's no score. We're going into the shootout. Each team will send 5 players up, try to score. They get 5 seconds to score. Here's a goal. Diggers in the net. What a save, what a save. All right, 2-0 here. St. Mary's up, right, 2. Another save. Oh. Here we go. 5 seconds to shoot. Tied up, huh? 2-2.
So what's that right corner now, the left corner, because they know it's the right.
Tie score. 2-2. Nice save. St. Mary's. Wow. Shot. Oh, tied it up. All right, 3-3. Oh. Three to 3. Newburyport, St. Mary's. Oh, faked out. Oh. There it is again.
Come on, Greyhoe, come on. There you go, there you go. That's right, number 70, that's right.
Baby.
We're going away from the call, up on the line. Rodigan, even though that's your call, it's 30. It should be a 30 call. Okay? You understand that? But if you power call to Frankie, all right? You come up block. Gary, don't make it, put it in. Come over here, please. Up through here. They're not having too much outside contain because. All right. Backside. If we're going pro right, that's going to have to be pro right.
Dive! Come up and hit him, Pope.
Good job. Good job. Good job. All right. How'd it come up?
The linebacker. You still call the hub. There you go. Okay?
Oh
tech yesterday. They didn't have a very happy look in their eye. I think it had something to do with that volleyball game, but we'll find out. To start out with the team, I'd like to start with my assistant coach, Coach Bogart. Gary, our seniors, captains, Charlie Stack, Ryan Sanders sitting over there in the nice bar. Don't get up, Ryan. Craig Floyd, Dan Davison, Jeff Coates,
First, I'd like to ask the other two senior classes.